Hello everyone! Ni hao! Kumusta kayo, my fellow gardeners and collectors? Okay, this is a video to seek some advice sa inyo guys kung may mga naalagaan kayo or may mga alaga kayong ganito. I'm so sorry, I don't know the idea of this, but I'm seeking help and advice kasi napansin ko siya guys. Meron siyang brown dyan at nagwo-worried ako. Yeah, ayan normal lang ba yan guys na nagbra-brown dyan sa ilalim? Yan. So I don't know guys, but I don't want to lose this one. Yan, I have her for a few years na, kaya medyo sentimental to sa akin. Kaya ayan, kung may advice kayo, please advise naman po. And thank you in advance, at don't forget to subscribe guys para connected pa rin tayo. Bye!